guys, so in today's video it's just like a mixture of over a couple of days I've been doing some shopping, doing some cleaning, so I hope you enjoy it. I'm just getting myself ready. I put my hair in like little rollers yesterday, like the foamy roller things. I mean, it looks a bit messy, but it looks like quite beachy, so I'm just like rolling with it. But yeah, I'm gonna go to B&M now. I'm looking for a coffee machine, to be honest. So I hope I find one. I'll let you guys know. I got back from shopping, been setting up the coffee machine. I'm just going, I got into something a bit more comfy because I'm going to do some cleaning. So my hair's been irritating me. I'm just going to get it out my face and put it in a bobble and get some cleaning done. I've rearranged my kitchen a little bit, so I'll just show you. So the coffee machine's now here. The toaster did used to be here, but I'm not going to lie, the toaster's like, I didn't like it here anyway, so it's kind of gone over there now. But I'm going to be getting a shelf to put up here with some mugs, so this is going to be the little coffee corner. But yeah, I've tried out the coffee machine. It's a Tassimo Bosch one, and the coffee turned out really good, so I was happy with that. So I'm feeling really hot after that workout. Don't know what it is about summer, but when I do it at home it just gets me like a really high energy, good mood. So yeah, I enjoyed that and it was good to get my body moving, but my Fitbit was actually dead, so I don't know how many calories I burned, but I'm happy to be getting the body moving. New tripod came and I'm so happy. I can't wait to have a little go. So I've been trying to balance my phone everywhere by filming and it just wasn't ideal, but I've got it and now I can do more filming. So today I've been to Asda. What did I get from Asda? Oh, we got loads of coffee. We went a bit crazy because we've just got our coffee machine. So I got this hot chocolate one, a caramel, how do you say that? Macchiato? That's not right, but yeah, this. That's not right. Some milk to go in it, just a flat white, cappuccino. So we actually got our coffee machine and we've been loving it, but when we got it we only bought like one coffee pod thing, like one of these, and we ran out in like a day. It was ridiculous. We went through like 8 coffees in like one night, so we went a bit wild getting more from the Asda. But yeah, that's what I got from the Asda. So I want to say the Asda, I don't know, but I'm just gonna say it. I'm gonna stop rambling on. I'm gonna make myself a coffee and stop avoiding the dishes that I've been avoiding. Just feeling fresh faced. I'm getting my glasses on, my hair's in a bun, comfy clothes. I'm gonna chill for the rest of the night. Just taking my nail varnish off because they were chipped and they were doing my head in. But yeah, let me know if you enjoyed this video. It's just been a little mixture of like what I've been up to over the past week. If you did like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe.